Storytelling gone wrong.
Go ahead.
The story is Peter Banks.
Na Tony Banks.
I need a butler. Kasama ko si Bulldog at si Peter Banks.
Bulldog and Peter Banks is with me.
Okay. And we I am now mad at him. Borrow me. Borrow me.
What
You will not stop laughing. I don't understand the story anymore.
Don't get mad. That is the rules. No one is above the law.
That's what you got?
Pictures in Tagalog.
Yes.
Okay. Ready?
I will see you later.
Off stream.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Just a little bit.
Okay. Really strong.